Hi, it's FlyTy and Jacinda with Compare Foods TV, and it's our second annual pumpkin carving contest.
I love it, and as you recall, last year I beat you.
You cheated.
I did, and I won fair and square.
No, you didn't.
And that's what's gonna happen again this year. So let's go over the rules, shall we?
All right.
Rule number 1, you can choose any pumpkin that you want right here on the table.
This is mine, right here.
That's the one I wanted.
Rule number 2, we get to use anything in our trick-or-treat baskets.
I already see some really fun things that I want to use. Rule number 3, we have 2 hours to complete our pumpkin and decorate it as crazy as we want it to be.
Oh, I love it. Rule number 4, and most importantly,
You
get to choose the winner. And 4 lucky voters will receive
a $100 gift certificate to Compare Foods Charlotte, a store near you.
How cool is that? All right, you ready to get to carving?
I am, but do you have your assistant? Come on in, Kiara.
What?
You don't read emails, do you?
You got an assistant?
Come on, Kiara, let's get started.
Wait a minute! You're doing it again!
Voila! Oh my! Yours
Wait a
had
minute.
kids?
Yeah, a lot of them.
What?
It's a family affair.
Oh my God!
Yes.
That's actually really cute.
Oh, yours is a ghost. Ooh, I'm scared.
Oh, mine lights up in the dark. Yours
this
doesn't.
is so cool. And he's eating some of the candy.
He likes Reese's.
I
Yeah.
didn't know you could use that.
Mine has spiders.
Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and
We did work.
And you
We
have a
did
light
work.
on the inside.
Yes.
Oh, that is so cute.
We did work. Now let's go look at yours.
I did.
Unlike you,
What?
it doesn't light up in the dark.
It's okay.
No.
It looks
no.
amazing
1,
during
2,
the
3,
day.
4, 5, 6, 10, 20 kids?
Yes, all that. It's a family affair. You did a great job,
Yeah, we sure
but
did.
I'm
Yeah,
going to
we
win. So don't forget to vote. Please get online and vote right now. You could be one of 4 winners.
Yes, to win a $100 gift certificate to Compare Foods Charlotte, a store right near you. Now, voting starts today, and it ends midnight on Halloween. So get to voting because me and Kiara are definitely going to win this thing.
Whatever, I got this wrapped up. It's FlyTy and Jacinda for Compare Foods TV.